What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we'll discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities that we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we have some housing news. At 8 o'clock, we have Fed Jefferson speaking. At 8:15, we have the capacity utilization in industrial production. At 10:30, we have the 52-week bill auction. At 11:30, we have Fed Williams speaking. At 12:15, we have Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaking, and he'll be speaking with the Bank of Canada's governor about the Canadian economy. At 3:30, we have some crude news, and at 7 o'clock, we have the IMF meeting. Now, it was never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you choose to trade during unpredictable price action, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream. And right at open, the bulls wasted no time pushing price higher into prior resistance. Now, I said that the bulls wasted no time pushing price higher, but in my opinion, I felt it was the bears that pushed price higher as they got their stops ran. But the bulls failing to push price higher, the bears coming in, and the market just took a dump for the entire session. This, in my opinion, was the sell-off. But as we spoke in a previous NA meeting, I believe that this is the area where price will try to recover. In a previous NA meeting, we spoke about if price broke that 18K level, that price was going to continue down lower and possibly find support somewhere in this area. And now that we're here, and based off of the lack of price action, I believe that we can see a recovery. Now, we have bank earnings tomorrow, so I am interested to see how the market would open. And with that said, let's jump into an ES chart. This is an ES chart, and this is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream. And just like the NQ, price soared higher into previous resistance, the bulls failing to take it higher, and price completely collapsing into the end of the session. And just like the NQ, we're in an area of strong resistance. Now we have bank earnings tomorrow, and let me pull that up right now. We have all these banks releasing their earnings tomorrow. And right after they release their earnings, we have Fed Jefferson speaking. So this is going to be interesting. Price is currently at support. We have banks reporting their earnings. And right after the banks release their earnings, we have a Fed speaker speaking. So this is going to be interesting. And in summary, both the NQ and the ES both had a massive sell-off that continued until the end of the day. And both products are at support. I'm not saying that price cannot go down further, but with both instruments being at support, we have banks releasing their earnings tomorrow, and we have a Fed speaker speaking afterwards. I feel that that's a recipe for bullishness and for the bears that are shorting this market to become buyers and push price back up. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. Today was a bittersweet day. I did catch the long in pre-market at open, and I rolled price all the way to 190 on the ES. But towards the middle of the day, initially I was in short. Unfortunately, I did not stay short. I flipped long, and I basically gave back all of my gains that I had today. In hindsight, looking at the charts, it's obvious. Obviously, the sellers were selling and the buyers became sellers as they stops was used as fuel to push the price lower. And I should have recognized that. I should have also recognized that today I just wasn't feeling it. I had a bad start this morning. I wasn't able to start the stream because of an outage, an internet outage. And basically, I came into the market towards the end of the day. I didn't look at previous price action, and because of that, it cost me my gains for the day. So basically, the day was a break-even day. but we'll come back stronger tomorrow. And with that said, that's all I have. And if you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq and ES intraday, then join the live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq and ES intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.